Hey guys, it's me Samantha, and I am so very excited to be making this video. I know that there's a lot of you guys who don't really care about Star Wars, but I am a fan. But I picked up the Mandalorian collection. I am super excited to play with this. I also picked up the mirror. And I just want to pull this out first. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Samantha. I am a makeup enthusiast and makeup is my therapy. If you feel the same way, be sure to hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you can come back and see more videos with me. So the first thing I wanted to open is the mirror. It is so tiny, guys. It is the palm of my hand. Now I am not very fancy and I use a mirror that I got at Dollar Tree, and wow, there's a big size difference, but I can tell you right now the quality of this mirror is a lot better than my Dollar Tree one. So I'm gonna play with this today. I'm super pumped to have it. It's adorable. And let's get into the eyeshadow palette. I had other makeup on and then this package came, and I tried my best to clean up what I was wearing before so that I could put this on my face. Like, look at that packaging with the bell scar, like all shiny like that. I'm really excited. I watched the series with my husband. We're big fans. He has like a Boba Fett Lego head on his desk that I bought him for Christmas last year. So yeah, like this is so cute. And I mean look at the shadows. Like, they're so pretty. I'm like so pumped. So we're gonna swatch these really quick. I also got the lip glosses. I didn't get the little child palette because I already have it, so I'm not gonna pull that out. I will say though, that's like one of my favorite Colourpop palettes. It's like a pastel palette that actually works for my skin tone, which is hard to say. So let's get into this one and swatch away. So the first one I'm going to swatch is this one here. It's the Bell Scar Steel. Then we're gonna swatch Navarro Sand. And I made it messy, guys. All right, and then Bantha Tracks. Let me try to be neater. What am I swatching? I mean, they feel beautiful. Colourpop does have pretty reliable shadows. Absolutely beautiful. Like, even that shade so close to my skin tone, it actually shows up surprisingly. Now we are going to swatch, what's that? Imperial Credit, Clan of Two, and Tatooine Glimmer, which those are the shades I'm like super excited about. Imperial Credit, Clan of Two, oh my god, and Tatooine Glimmer. Now we just have the last three, and then we can put our brushes in there. We got, I'm trying to read it on the back. Mythosaur, This Is the Way, and Creed. You can just tell they're so pigmented. So we have Mythosaur, This Is the Way, and Creed. Super pretty. Very neutral, but I'm like so pumped. So I will say Creed is like those browns with the glitter. I don't know why they put the glitter in there. I just use them as mattes because I know that the glitter is not going to adhere that well unless you have some kind of glitter glue, which I'm not going to use. I have some concealer on my lids and I don't usually use that as a primer, but I'm just going to roll with it. And the first shade we're going to go in is this mustard color, which is Navarro Sand. I'm getting a ton of kick up in the pan. It doesn't bother me, but if you are somebody who is bothered by that, I just want to let you know. And I felt like that was even the case when I was swatching them, honestly. And I don't put like a colored base to make colors pop on my skin for a primer typically, so I'm just trying to build this up. I suppose a concealer could work that way, but I honestly didn't put enough of that for it to really, I think, do, you know, work for that, work in that way. So now I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and I'm going to go into Creed, which is that dark brown with the gold sparkle. Again, I don't expect the gold to really adhere. All right, beautiful, very, very happy. So pumped. All right, now the most exciting shade of them all is Clan of 2, which is that green with a red base. And to be honest, these kinds of shades are my favorite, but you usually see them more with a lighter kind of shade. And I feel like this is so dark and grungy. I'm super excited. And then just to blend the brown and that Clan of 2, I'm going to use Tattooing Glimmer, which is a really pretty chocolate brown shimmer, which is pretty much perfect to blend those two together. And I feel like you could use the Bowscar Steel or the Imperial Credit for the inner corner, but I'm going to definitely go into Imperial Credit because I just feel like that's the vibe. I did get a little bit of fallout, but we're going to go in now and just add the same shades on the lower lash line. So first going in with Clan of 2. And then I'm going to take Tattooing Glimmer on the outer. And I'm going to take Navarro Sand very lightly just below that. Alright, I just added a little bit of my Milk Bronze eyeliner to my lower lash line. And now we're going to use the glosses. These are so cute. Like, I even want to keep the box just because of this little dude right here. He's so very cute. And like, look at the back. Oh, so cute. So the two shades in here is Din Jardin and then Grugo. And my lips look horrible. They always look horrible because I peel them all the time with my anxiety. So we're gonna go in with this one first because it's the more opaque one. Oh, very lightweight and comfortable. I actually have not tried any of the Colourpop lip oils. I bought one and I didn't end up using it. That's very pretty. It's pretty much just like my skin, my lips, but better. Let's try the little Grogu one here. And this is just like a clear with sparkle. I know I probably shouldn't have done that, but it's done. And now it's all gonna be in there, grossing everybody out. Yeah, I really like those oils. Alright, so this is the final look. I have to say, like, all the products are good. Colourpop is very consistent. when they have a flop, it's a pretty like unusual case. The last time I had a flop was with those like tie-dye pastel palettes, which was quite a while ago. Although they tend to flop with the color stories, they just create more neutrals, and to be fair, this is kind of a neutral palette, but the packaging is stunning. If you are a Star Wars fan, I definitely recommend, because the quality is also good in here. I love the color scheme. It's very grungy and beautiful, and I love it. And these glosses, I have never used these oils before, and I really enjoy them. They're very comfortable on the lips, they feel very hydrating, and the world's tiniest mirror is super cute. I'm gonna use this all of the time. I just love little Grogu on there, and yeah, I think it's really cute. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I appreciate it, and have a good rest of your day. Love you guys. Bye.